Hey, this is Clarissa here, and I'm going to show you a couple of stretches that you can do while standing that are really good for your lower back, glutes, hamstrings, honestly everything, but really good for the lower back. So I'm going to turn sideways just so you can get a better angle. My legs are about hip distance apart. Place my hands into my hips, all right, and I start with a pelvic curl. So I press my lower back forward, and instead of gripping, try to release your hip flexors. So really think about reaching your thigh bones away from your waistline, and then arch the back and curl it under and reach your thigh bones away from your glutes to open up the tops of the hips, and then arch the back. Two more. Curl and reach away and arch. Last one. Curl and reach away. Hold that position here. Now place your hands onto your glutes, pull your elbows in, find a nice little back bend. Lift the heart up. Keep pressing your hips forward and away, and instead of overarching from the ribs, keep your ribs connected and press from your glutes and thigh bones. And then come all the way back. Place your hands into your hips, all right? Then I'm gonna turn and face you. And we start with some hip circles here, rolling your hips around in a nice slow circle to massage out your back. Should feel pretty good. And then let's reverse, go the other way. Try to keep your feet still and really open up through the waistline. And then hold center. Let's bring your legs a little closer together. Sweep the left arm up, bring the right arm down, and lean over to the side. Now stay here, check in. Are your hips level? I can tell my left hip is slightly forward than my right, so I'm gonna press my left hip back because we're looking for that nice 180-degree angle. Take your right hand and reach for your left wrist and reach your arm away, getting a nice beautiful stretch. While you do that, reach your left hip away from your body, intensifying the stretch. 3, 2, 1. Now pull your abs in, use your obliques, pull yourself all the way back up. Same thing, other side. Lean towards your left. Check in, is your right hip pressing forward? Mine is, so I can tell. So I'm gonna rotate my right hip back so that way everything is nice and level. Then take your left hand, reach for your wrist and keep reaching your hips away from your body, getting that nice beautiful side stretch. 3, 2, 1, and then come all the way back up. Now let's separate your feet, and I'm gonna go sideways again. Turn your feet out and bend your knees down, reaching the arms forward. See how low you can sink down. Now this does require some ankle mobility and flexibility here. So if that's not your practice, you come up a little bit higher. Press through the pinky sides of your feet, and then take your elbows and press your elbows into your kneecaps to open up. Now naturally, right, you're gonna wanna lean forward depending on your ankle mobility. So maybe you turn your feet out a little bit more. Keep the body weight towards your heels and press your hips forward as you lift your heart up, sinking your head and heart down, getting a nice stretch through the hips and the lower back. Now place your hands onto your ankles. Start to straighten the legs up and turn your feet to parallel, still hip distance apart. Start to bend the elbows and pull your forehead through, deepening the stretch. You can even start to sway or pedal the legs side to side just to open up your hamstrings and your glutes a little bit more. And now send your body weight towards the pinky sides of your feet, straighten out the legs, pull your abs off your thigh bones, roll all the way up. Shoulders are away from your ears, so that's likely to happen. Interlock the palms and lean your heart back, stretch. Even open the arms out to a side and just breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in, breathe out. Sweep your arms forward and nose dive down. In between, grab the ankles once again and bend the elbows, taking that nice beautiful stretch. Shift your body weight towards your toes. And then come all the way up, pressing through the balls of your feet. Now I'm gonna face you again so that way you can see. All right, turn your feet out. We're gonna start stretching out the side of your legs in your IT band. Bring your arms out to a T, all right? Rotate over towards the right. Take your left pinky finger, reach down for the right pinky toe. Now see if you can maybe get your fingers underneath your foot, or off to the side is okay, or the ankle. I might grab the ankle today. And now rotate and bring your right arm all the way up. Now as you rotate, you're pulling your left elbow away from your body so that way you get a stretch right through the side of your left shoulder blade as well. Keep pressing the back right side of your leg away and shift your body weight a little bit more towards the balls of your feet so your core can stay connected. Now if you're not quite feeling the IT band yet, separate your legs a little bit more and then maybe place both hands onto the outer part of your right foot and lean forward. Now you might start to feel the IT band. If not, lift the toes up a little bit more. And then pick your spine all the way up and come back through center. Same thing other side. Bring your arms out to a T. We then rotate towards the left. We reach down for that left pinky toe. Hands can go underneath or grab the ankle. Reach your left arm up and continue to bend your right elbow away from your body as you pull your chest closer towards your leg. At the same time, press your left leg away from your body, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. A nice, beautiful stretch. And again, if you're still not feeling it, place your hands onto the floor away from your left foot, the outer part. Try to get both fingers on. And then slowly pull your spine all the way up. We'll finish with just some nice side twisting here, bending the knees as you go. Should feel a lot looser and a lot better than what you did when you first started. And one. Now, I lied. I'm gonna finish with a couple of hamstring stretches here. So, standing to the side, bring your right foot forward, left leg back, make sure both toes are facing forward. And I like to have my right toe lined with my right eyeball. Go ahead and exhale, hinge forward by bending your left knee, reach for your foot, get a nice stretch. And try to arch your upper back a little bit more while you press your right knee down. Feels good there. And then round your spine, pull your abdominals in and place your right foot back down. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So, left foot forward, right leg back. Go ahead and start to shift your body weight back as you lift the ball of your left foot up, reaching for the foot. Press the back of your left knee away, shoulder blades down. Flex your foot, get a nice, beautiful stretch. And then round your spine, place your toe down, peel all the way up, and you are all set. You got your stretch on. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful workout, and I'll see you soon. Bye.